Hello everyone, today we are excited to present our Indonesian project called the hydraulic sprinkler. Our group members are Hagen, Stanley, and me, Rajuji. Before we show you our Indonesian, we would like to show you a short story.
One day, we saw a farmer in his garden fixing something. Curiously, I asked him, "Excuse me, what are you fixing?" The farmer smiled and replied, "This is a sprinkler. It helps water the plants by spraying water around the garden." Then he also told us that he uses a diesel generator to operate the sprinkler. We were surprised because diesel fuel can cause pollution and is not environmentally friendly. After hearing that, we started thinking creatively. What if we could create a sprinkler that does not need electricity or diesel fuel? Since our STEM program focuses on renewable energy and green technology, we wanted to create a model that is more environmentally friendly. Then I asked my teammate, what if we combine a sprinkler with hydraulic and water pressure? That exciting idea inspired us to build our own innovation model.
We created this model called the hydraulic sprinkler. Our model is powered by water pressure and air pressure.
Basically, we pump air into a bottle filled with water. The pressure then pushing the water out through a small pipe. While building this project, we also learned an interesting science theory. When we poke a small hole into a bottle filled with water, it comes out because the water inside pushes with pressure. The deeper the hole is, the stronger the pressure becomes. As the water sprays out, gravity pulls it downward, so the water bends into a curved shape like a rainbow. As the bottle slowly becomes emptier, there is less pressure, so the water sprays becomes weaker and slower. A scientist named Evangelista Terracelli found out how to calculate how fast water flows out from a hole.
The water sprays out from a tiny hole just like a real sprinkler. One special feature of our model is that it can rotate to almost any angle, making it easier to spray water in different directions.
Another great thing about our model is that it does not need electricity or diesel fuel to work. This means it can help save energy, reduce pollution, and protect our environment. The project teaches us how renewable energy idea and green technology can help create a cleaner and greener future.
Through this project, we learn about teamwork, creativity, hydraulic, water pressure, renewable energy, and how science can help solve real-life problems. Thank you for watching our presentation.
We hope you enjoyed our innovation project, the hydraulic sprinkler. Let's use science to build a cleaner, smarter, and greener future.